Alright, we're making our way through the Azure Sea 7 box, and hopefully we get a good hit in this one. Gonna skip through these uncommons a bit quickly. Loving the art in this set. I just love how some of the One Piece cards are like full sentences, you know? I think it's so funny, like a early 2000s band title name. Alright, here we're getting to the uncommons and rares. Okay, not a terrible hit. And, oh! That's one of the good ones.